Hi there everyone, and a very warm welcome. It's Monday the 18th of July 22, and we have just finished our Improvers Solo Ballroom and Latin class online via Zoom. So I thought I would record a little short summary of our Improvers Tango routine, number 4. This is what we did at the end of the class. So there's 3 sections to this. It does appear quite long when we are teaching it, but don't forget you've got the whole lesson in my video library if you're looking in my website and you're in the paid solo at Ballroom and Latin plan. And if you're not, why not go and check it out, because there is a nice 14-day free trial. There's my marketing ploy. But if you're watching this on YouTube, just enjoy, try and copy the steps. If it's a little bit too fast, then obviously you can always check out the full video from the class. And of course we dance it to music in there, and on YouTube I'm being cautious about music because I don't want to get any copyright strikes. So this is just a breakdown, no music. Let's just walk it through. Now, walking with my left foot. So I did 2 slow walks in line, and then I did a progressive side walk. Quick, slow. So I'm shifting over to the right-hand side. I'm going to start in the back right-hand side of the space which is available. I've actually got a bit more. I always forget that when I'm recording here and not on Zoom. The Zoom camera doesn't give me much space, whereas this one does. I forget. So slow, quick, slow. I then did a little reverse, closed reverse turn. Quick, slow, quick, slow. I then went backwards and repeated the same process. Slow, quick, slow, and reverse turn now going forwards. Quick, slow, and quick, slow. So for those of you that are keen on your syllabus work, you'll notice that is the closed reverse turn done on the followers and then the leaders timing in the 2 sections, and that would be done as so when you're with your partner. Section 2, second walking section. I'm probably going to end that first section about here. So I was curving around a little bit as I did the next section, just to make use of my space. So left foot again, walk, progressive link to a little promenade point. I did 2 little football changes, quick and quick. 1 more slow walk, and then I brought the foot for a little out, in, out on the point. Okay, let's do that again. I pull the timing out. Slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, slow. So remember, we are improvising for solo work to practice at home. So there are the odd times that I vary things from how it would be done with the partner. So don't forget I have an artistic license on that. Section 3, we're going to walk it backwards. Sorry, we finished over here. We're going to walk backwards for 2 slow walks, and then I'm going to do a little contra check to promenade point. Okay, very small on the ladies' timing. Check and point. Promenade close, slow, quick, slow. I'm going to reuse that foot. Little side drag, 2 slows. And the other way, 2 slows. I'm going to do a little forwards contra check. Quick, slow to promenade point, and slow, quick, slow, which is our promenade close. So essentially within that, you've got a contra check for the leaders and the followers. So back foot right for the followers, front foot leaders on the left foot. That would be the norm if you're dancing with the partner. And then I've improvised a little bit. Let's put all 3 sections together, starting from the back right-hand side of your space. Slow, quick, slow. Reverse turn, quick, slow, quick, slow. Do all of that again, opposite side. Slow, quick, slow. Reverse turn, quick, slow, quick, slow. Curving round. Slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, slow. Section 3, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. Like I said, guys, it was quite long in the end, but that was because we were using the steps and then reversing them, and hopefully that helps the brain go from left to right. Now, if you're always dancing as a leader and you're always dancing as a follower, It is still fun to try the other steps, but don't be so worried about thinking, oh, this isn't something I would do in the ballroom, I'm always the leader, I'm always the follower. It's really healthy to practice both, especially when we're doing our solo work. It makes us quicker, gets our right and left side developing simultaneously. Big word for today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell. It tells YouTube that you're enjoying these videos and helps to build my content rating on there. And if you're watching in my own paid video library, then thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.